Hello, my name is Jessie and welcome to another EZ LCMS system tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on adding assignments to a course and being able to grade them with a custom rubric. The assignment will allow you to provide instructions to a user so that they can create a project or essay offline and then return to the system to upload their completed work. Once the user uploads and submits their work, an instructor is notified and then the assignment can be reviewed and graded. The following tutorial will show you how to set up and create a rubric that guides your instructor to grade consistently and the steps needed to set up an assignment in your course that is associated with a specific rubric. Now, let's start with rubrics. Rubrics are a way for instructors to manually grade more complex material. For instance, if I want to have a student complete an essay on a particular topic, I may want to grade it on several criteria and provide more direct feedback than just a simple letter grade. Rubrics for essays may include criteria or elements like organization, grammar, spelling, and detail. Alternatively, you can assign an art project that would be graded on much different criteria like creativity, originality, and style. Not only are there different elements within the rubric, but there can also be several degrees within each element. A degree is an associated point value based on how well you did on an element. These degree statements help guide the instructor to the proper point value to help maintain grading consistency. In either case, the LMS allows you to create a rubric specific to the type of assignment. When creating an assignment, you may want to provide instructions to the student via text or attachments and select which rubric it will be graded against. The LMS will allow the student to upload their completed assignment on their My Training page, give the instructor access to the original documentation as well as the student's completed project, and use the rubric to determine the student's ultimate grade. Once the student receives an email notification that their assignment has been graded, they can review the instructor's comments, their final score, and anything additional the instructor may have provided on their transcript page. The following pages of this tutorial will cover all of these points and give you the ability to repeat and adapt it for your own training courses. Now, let's get started. Once logged into the LCMS, go to the drop-down bar on the right side, select Content Admin, and then select Catalog. Once on the Catalog page, select the far right button, Manage Rubrics. The next page will be where you can edit properties, edit elements, and delete rubrics. But before you can do any of that, you must create a rubric. To do so, you will need to select Add Rubric. In step 1, give the rubric a name, add a description about the rubric, and at the bottom, select a status for the rubric, draft or published. If you select draft, you will be the only one to see the rubric and it cannot be associated with any assignment in the system. You should choose this setting until you are done adjusting its properties. If you select published, it will be available to associate with an assignment and is accessible by the instructor. In this example, I will set my rubric to published. Once the page is filled out, click Step 2. In Step 2, you will begin creating the rubric elements. Click Add Element. Here, you will fill out the element name and set maximum points for this element. Remember, the element is what the student will be graded on. Once you have named the element, select Add Degree. The page will expand and then fill out the degree information. Name the degree, describe what must have been accomplished to earn this degree, associate a letter grade to the degree, and then add points needed to achieve this degree. This number should be the minimum number of points in order to achieve this grade. Once complete, click Submit Degree. Once all of the degrees have been added to this element, select Finish. Click Add Element. Repeat this process to add elements with different degrees to add to your rubric. Once you have added all the elements with corresponding degrees, click Finish. After you click Finish, you will be brought back to the page where you can see all of your rubrics. This page will tell you the name of the rubric, the status, and give you the options to edit or delete the rubrics. To create a course, add an assignment lesson and utilize a rubric to grade it. Start by navigating to the Content Admin/Catalog page and then select Add Course/Class. On this page, you will name the class, add a subtitle, add a description, add an approximation of how long the class should take, select an icon, select a certificate, if any, is awarded after the completion of the class, and here you will determine if the classes must be taken in order. In the Options tab to the right, make sure to set a mastery score and determine credits, if any. In the Notifications tab, it will give you the option to send out enrollment notification to student, send email reminder to student, notify me when someone enrolls, notify me when someone completes an assignment, and to send me a copy of the completed certificate. Once complete, click Step 2. You will then be brought to a page that will show lessons in the course you just created. To add a lesson, go to the bottom right column labeled Other Content and click Add an Assignment. Here, you will name the assessment, add the instructions, determine what type of assignment it is, upload, text entry, or both. The upload type will allow the student to upload their project as a file to the LMS for the instructor to grade. The text entry can be completed online without requiring a file to be uploaded. Set the instructor that is assigned to grade the assignment. If you wish many people to be able to grade this assignment, you should create a generic user in the system as an instructor and assign that user to the assignment. You would then give that instructor login information to anyone you wish to be allowed to grade the assignment. Finally, select the applicable rubric for this assignment and then set a mastery score. If you have a longer explanation of what is expected for this assignment, you can load it as a PDF resource here and the user will have access to it. Once complete, click Submit. After you click Submit, you will be brought back to the course contents page that will show all of the lessons for this specific course. The assignment is now the only content in this course. To enroll users in this course, go back to the catalog page under Content Admin and find the course you just created. Select the first green icon to enroll users. On this page, you can select the users you wish to add to this course by selecting the box under the Enroll column. As a student, to view the newly assigned course, I will go to My Training page. The newest assigned course will always be at the bottom of the page by default. In this example, I sorted the assignments by name so our example course would be first. For me, the student, to view the instructions as they were typed or as an uploaded PDF document by the content admin, I will click the green icon. The following pop-up will show the instructions, have an icon linked to the rubric for this class, and where I will upload my assignment. To view the rubric, click the PDF icon. To upload my assignment, I will click Add a Document, then browse to the file on my computer, then select the document, and finally click Upload Document. The final step is to select Submit for grading, so the instructor is notified that there is an assignment that is ready for grading. Another pop-up will appear asking you to confirm assignment upload. Click Yes. You will then be brought to a page informing you that your assignment has been uploaded and an email will be sent to me when it has been graded. Click Close. Back on My Training page, when I view the class I just submitted the assignment to, it will now say Pending. To grade assignments as an instructor, go to the Instructor Role and then select the assignments. Here you will see a list of course names, assignments, how many users are enrolled, how many are ready for grading, and how many have been graded. To grade assignments, select the first icon. You will be brought to a page with a list of all the assignments that have been submitted for grading. The icon under Docs column will be the student's uploaded assignment and any doc that was provided as instructions for the assignment. Click this and download their assignment. If a rubric has been associated to this assignment, there will be a checkbox in the rubric column. Click this and the rubric will guide you in grading this assignment. The instructor will use the description for each degree to help them determine how many points the user should earn for that element. By following this grading guide, the instructor should be able to yield a consistent and fair results across many users. After entering a score for each element and inserting comments when necessary, select Submit. After you click Submit, you will be brought to a page that calculates the score automatically. Click Finish. After you have graded a student's assignment, the score will be automatically added under Score and the status will be filled in accordingly. Once all the assignments have been graded, click Submit. Then on the next page, you will be brought to click Return. Once graded, I, the student, will receive a notification that the assignment has been graded. I will navigate back to the Learner Role / My Training page and find the submitted assignment. I can now see that I have passed the course. Thanks again for taking the time to learn how to use our learning management system. Please let us know if you need any additional help. You can contact us at ezsupport@ezlcms.com. Have a great day.